Hi, I'm Jason Davis. I am the owner and founder of Hashtag Marketing Limited, a secure web development company. I also founded the North Wales Cybersecurity Cluster. We are a group of cybersecurity interested parties and businesses. So this isn't necessarily just people working within cybersecurity. This is any company that has an interest in it, that may be worried about their cybersecurity or their information security and may have some questions. So we meet roughly once a month on the third Thursday of every month at various places across North Wales, and we discuss topics that are of interest to businesses around their security and their information security. There are two clusters actually in Wales, so we have a counterpart in South Wales, and currently between the clusters we are around about 350 members strong and growing. If I could offer a single piece of advice to any small business worried about their security or looking to make sure that they're doing the right things, it would definitely be to back up your data. So everything that you do of a day, of a week, of a month, back that up on regular intervals. So there's pretty much nothing that can happen to your system that can't be recovered if you have a good backup system in place. So if you speak to whoever looks after your IT, or if you've got any questions at all, get in touch with organisations like ourselves. We have a website at northwalescyber.net, and if you're in South Wales, please get in touch with southwalescyber.net and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction. If there was a second piece of advice I could give, it would be to make sure that you are regularly updating your passwords and that you have different passwords for each platform that you use. So don't use the same password for everything that you do.